In today's video, I will walk you through how to enter a journal in Xero. To begin, access your Xero dashboard. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the plus icon. This icon provides access to several actions you can create within Xero. Click on the plus icon to open the available menu. When the list of options appears, look for the option labeled Manual Journal. Select Manual Journal to open the journal entry window. After the Manual Journal page opens, you'll be ready to enter the details of your journal entry. Take your time with this part, as the information you enter should be complete before you finish the entry. Start by entering the transaction date in the appropriate field. Make sure the date matches the transaction you're recording. Next, specify the accounts that are involved in the journal entry. Select the appropriate accounts for each line of the journal before continuing. After selecting the accounts, enter the debit amounts where required. Continue by entering the corresponding credit amounts for the appropriate accounts so the journal reflects the transaction you want to record. Once the debit and credit amounts have been entered, add a reference or description for the journal. Enter a clear description that identifies the purpose of the transaction so it can be recognized later when reviewing your records. As you complete each section, review the information carefully. Check the transaction date, the selected accounts, the debit and credit amounts, and the reference to make sure everything has been entered correctly before moving forward. If you need to pause before completing the journal or plan to return to it later, you don't have to finish it immediately. Xero provides an option to save your work without posting the journal. At the bottom of the journal window, you'll see two available options. One option is Post, and the other is Save. If the journal entry is complete and you've confirmed all of the information is correct, click Post. This records the journal entry and finalizes it in your records. If you aren't ready to finalize the journal yet, click Save instead. Saving allows you to keep the journal available so you can return later to review or update the information before posting it. Choose the option that matches what you want to do, then allow Xero to complete the action. Once you've either posted or saved the journal, the process is complete. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if this video helped you.